The fields move with the wind, not to rush somewhere, but to show they're alive. Golden heads of grain bend and rise like breath. They say nothing, yet speak of abundance, of cycles, of returning, of grace. Nothing forced and nothing missing. Mountains rise behind the fields, still and certain. They do not chase the sky, yet they reach it. Their strength is not loud but steady. A reminder, not everything powerful needs to move, and not everything that moves needs to hurry. Above it all, the sky opens wide, never crowded, always vast. It holds clouds like passing thoughts, changing, shifting, never clinging. It teaches you how to let go and still remain full. You look up and something softens. The wind through the wheat isn't just weather. It's rhythm, memory, music. It's the sound of time moving without rush. Like life, when you stop trying to control it. The mountain never wonders who it is. The sky doesn't need permission to be beautiful. The field doesn't wish to be a tree. Everything is enough, exactly as it is. And so are you. This isn't emptiness, it's fullness without noise. No ambition, no pressure. Just the earth being generous. And for once, you have nothing to prove. The grain that grows here never demands applause. It doesn't strive, it becomes. Every stalk is a quiet miracle. So are you. Beneath your feet, the soil holds secrets. Old seeds, quiet roots, lives that never needed recognition. They grow because they trust the dark. Can you? The mountain doesn't mind if you watch. The sky isn't waiting for your approval. The field doesn't ask for gratitude. And yet, you feel grateful. That's the magic of presence. Look how everything belongs. The shifting clouds, the leaning stalks, the unmoving peak. Nothing competes. Nothing questions its place. Can you live like that? The wind brushes past, gentle as a thought. It stirs your hair, your heart, your memory. It doesn't try to change anything, just reminds you that you're here. And that is enough. In the middle of all this, you're not lost. You're exactly where life breathes slow, where beauty doesn't scream, where meaning doesn't need words. You're not separate from this place, not above it, not beneath it. You're made of the same things, breath, dust, light. You belong even when you forget. Let your worries fall like chaff in the breeze. Let them scatter and disappear among the hills. No one here needs your perfection, only your presence. The field doesn't ask what you've achieved. The mountain doesn't measure your worth. The sky doesn't care if you're certain. But they all welcome you, as you are. So breathe in this moment, not to hold it, but to feel it. Because here now in the hush between thoughts, life isn't slipping by. It's waiting for you to notice it.